Welcome to Elite Finance Insights, your gateway to the financial secrets of the world's most iconic success stories. Every tip we share is a key to the strategies once reserved for the elite. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. In a world where fortunes are made in the blink of an eye, and where a single decision can redefine a career, one man transformed the high-stakes realm of trading into an empire that now touches every corner of the financial and media landscape. Michael Bloomberg began his journey not in the boardrooms of corporate giants but in the hectic trading floors of Wall Street, where every second mattered and every decision was measured in risk and reward. The tension of the market pulses through his early years as he navigated a world defined by rapid changes and intense pressure. It was here that Bloomberg learned that information was more than just data, it was power, a tool that could tilt the balance of success and failure in an industry where precision and timing were everything. Born into a modest family with a keen intellect and an insatiable curiosity for numbers, Michael Bloomberg did not set out to change the world. He simply followed his passion for finance and technology with an unwavering determination that would later become his signature trait. Working his way through education at Johns Hopkins University and later Harvard Business School, he absorbed lessons that went beyond textbooks and lectures. It was in these formative years that he developed an analytical mind and a vision that would one day disrupt not only the world of finance, but also the way information was distributed across the globe. In the bustling world of finance during the early 1970s, Bloomberg found himself amidst the chaos of trading floors at Salomon Brothers, a place where fortunes were won and lost in the span of a heartbeat. He quickly discovered that the secret to success lay in having access to timely and reliable information. While his colleagues relied on traditional methods of tracking market trends and reading printed reports, Bloomberg envisioned a system that could deliver real-time data directly to traders in a seamless and intuitive manner. It was a spark of innovation that laid the foundation for a revolutionary idea. The turning point in his career came when Bloomberg realized that the traditional methods of gathering and processing financial data were not keeping pace with the rapid evolution of the markets. He saw that traders were making decisions based on outdated information and that a new approach was needed. One that harnessed the power of technology and turned raw data into actionable insights. This idea was radical at the time, but in Bloomberg's mind it was clear that information was the true currency of the financial world, a currency that could be harnessed to create an entirely new kind of business. In 1981, he took a leap of faith by using the financial resources he had built up from his years on Wall Street to launch his own company. With a modest team and a pioneering spirit, Bloomberg LP was born. His vision was to create a system that not only provided traders with real-time financial data, but also integrated news and analysis into a single platform. The result was the Bloomberg Terminal, a sophisticated piece of technology that would soon become indispensable to financial professionals around the world. As the system evolved, it began to collect, process, and disseminate a vast amount of data that transformed the way market participants operated. The Bloomberg Terminal was more than just a tool for financial analysis. It was a complete reimagining of how information could be delivered in the digital age. Every keystroke and every click on the terminal was designed to provide users with insights that were both immediate and deeply analytical. Traders could now monitor market fluctuations, access company data, and even communicate with other professionals in real time. The impact of this innovation was profound, and it quickly cemented Bloomberg LP's reputation as a pioneer in financial technology. The terminal became a symbol of accuracy, efficiency, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in a field where milliseconds could mean millions. As Bloomberg LP expanded, so did its ambitions. What began as a tool for traders soon blossomed into a comprehensive media and financial data powerhouse. The company started to diversify its offerings, venturing into the realm of media and broadcasting. With a dedication to accuracy and speed, Bloomberg understood that the next frontier was not just the trading floor but also the screens and speakers that informed the public about financial news. The company began producing television programs, radio segments, and online content that delivered market news and analysis with an authority and immediacy that few could match. This transition from a niche data provider to a media mogul was not without its challenges. It required a deep understanding of both the technological underpinnings of information distribution and the nuances of mass communication. Bloomberg's approach was methodical and calculated. He believed that to truly transform the industry, one had to maintain the same rigorous standards of accuracy and timeliness that had made the Bloomberg terminal so successful. In doing so, he revolutionized not only how financial news was reported, but also how it was consumed. The Bloomberg brand became synonymous with trust, precision, and a no-nonsense approach to the complexities of global markets. Behind every innovation and every breakthrough was Bloomberg's unwavering commitment to excellence and a willingness to challenge the status quo. He was a man who thrived on the thrill of taking calculated risks, understanding that each risk was a stepping stone towards something greater. His journey from a trader burdened by the limitations of outdated systems to the mastermind behind a global media empire is a testament to the power of vision and perseverance. In every challenge he faced, there was a lesson in resilience and a call to push beyond the boundaries of what was considered possible. The evolution of Bloomberg LP is a story of constant reinvention and an unyielding desire to innovate. In the early days when technology was still in its infancy, Bloomberg had to contend with hardware limitations and a rapidly changing landscape of digital communication. Yet, rather than being deterred by these obstacles, he embraced them as opportunities to experiment and improve. His drive to create a better way to access financial information led him to invest heavily in research and development, building systems that were not only robust but also adaptable to the evolving needs of the market. This relentless pursuit of improvement allowed Bloomberg LP to stay ahead of the curve and continually set new benchmarks in the industry. Over the years, the influence of Bloomberg's innovations extended far beyond the confines of Wall Street. The Bloomberg terminal became a global phenomenon, used by financial institutions, governments, and media organizations alike. Its success underscored a fundamental truth about the modern world. In a landscape where information flows faster than ever before, those who can harness it effectively hold the key to power and success. Bloomberg's vision of a world interconnected by real-time data and insights has fundamentally reshaped the way we understand and interact with financial markets. Yet the story of Michael Bloomberg is not solely one of technological triumph or business acumen. It is also a narrative of personal transformation and an unwavering commitment to making an impact. Beyond his groundbreaking contributions to finance and media, Bloomberg has been a dedicated public servant and philanthropist. He used his wealth and influence to tackle some of the most pressing issues of our time, channeling his efforts into public health, education, and environmental sustainability. His tenure as mayor of New York City, marked by decisive leadership and bold initiatives, further solidified his reputation as a leader who was not afraid to take on enormous challenges and implement far-reaching reforms. Throughout his career, Bloomberg has embodied the principle that innovation is not an end in itself, but a means to create meaningful change. In a world where many are content with incremental improvements, he has consistently pushed for transformative progress. His approach has always been characterized by a willingness to disrupt established norms and challenge the conventional wisdom that once dictated the rules of the game. Whether it was revolutionizing how traders access real-time data, or redefining the standards of financial journalism, Bloomberg's legacy is a testament to the power of daring to dream big and having the courage to turn that dream into reality. For those of us seeking to understand the secrets behind such monumental success, Michael Bloomberg's journey offers invaluable lessons. In the high-pressure world of finance, he learned early on that precision, speed, and the ability to adapt are essential qualities to thrive. His willingness to take calculated risks and invest in technological advancements not only changed his own career trajectory, but also set the stage for a paradigm shift in the industry. Today, as we navigate an increasingly complex financial landscape, the principles that guided Bloomberg remain as relevant as ever. His story reminds us that in the pursuit of excellence there are no shortcuts, that every setback carries the seed of a future breakthrough, and that true innovation often comes from questioning the status quo and daring to forge a new path. The evolution from trader to media mogul was not a journey defined by a single moment of brilliance, but by a series of persistent, strategic decisions that gradually built an empire. Every decision Bloomberg made was rooted in a deep understanding of market dynamics and an unyielding commitment to delivering value. Whether it was recognizing the latent potential in real-time financial data, or understanding the transformative power of technology and reshaping media, each step was a calculated move that reinforced his legacy. As we reflect on this incredible journey, it becomes clear that Michael Bloomberg's impact extends far beyond the realms of finance and media. His story is a beacon for aspiring entrepreneurs and innovators, a reminder that with vision, hard work, and the courage to take risks, it is possible to redefine an industry and leave an indelible mark on the world. The lessons embedded in his rise to success speak to the power of relentless determination, the importance of adaptability, and the value of leveraging technology to overcome traditional limitations. In a time when information is both a commodity and a catalyst for change, Bloomberg's pioneering work has set a high standard for what can be achieved when one combines passion with precision. Every breakthrough, every innovative solution that emerged from Bloomberg LP is a chapter in the larger narrative of progress, a narrative that continues to evolve as new technologies and ideas reshape our world. Today, the legacy of Michael Bloomberg stands not only as a tribute to his business accomplishments, but also as a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when we dare to dream beyond the conventional boundaries. As you absorb the story of Michael Bloomberg, consider the broader implications of his journey on our own lives and careers. In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and an ever-changing global market, his experience serves as both a blueprint and an inspiration for anyone seeking to leave a lasting impact. Whether you are a trader, an entrepreneur, or simply someone who values the transformative power of innovation, there is much to learn from the way Bloomberg harnessed the power of information and technology to build an empire that transcends industries. Every element of Bloomberg's journey, from the intense pressure of the trading floors to the strategic vision that birthed one of the world's most influential media companies, is a testament to the idea that true success is born out of resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. It is a story that challenges us to look beyond immediate obstacles and to see every setback as a stepping stone to greater achievements. In closing, Michael Bloomberg's evolution from a trader immersed in the high-stakes world of Wall Street to a visionary media mogul is more than just a remarkable business success story. It is an enduring example of how passion combined with a forward-thinking approach can revolutionize entire industries and alter the course of history. His relentless pursuit of excellence, his ability to transform challenges into opportunities, and his visionary approach to harnessing technology all serve as guiding principles for those who wish to chart their own path to success. In every line of his story lies a lesson that resonates with anyone who dares to imagine a future where information is power and where innovation is the engine that drives progress. As you continue to explore the intricacies of financial success and innovation, let Michael Bloomberg's journey inspire you to question established norms, to seek out new opportunities, and to never underestimate the value of a single, transformative idea. Remember that behind every breakthrough there is a story of struggle, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in the possibility of change. His legacy challenges us to be bold, to embrace risks, and to always keep our eyes open for the next great opportunity that could redefine our own futures. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of a man who not only redefined the financial landscape but also reshaped the way we perceive and interact with information. Today, his story remains a beacon of inspiration for anyone willing to step outside the conventional and pioneer new frontiers in a world that is constantly evolving. Every insight gleaned from his journey is a reminder that while the path to success may be fraught with challenges, the rewards for those who dare to innovate are boundless. In the end, Michael Bloomberg's legacy is not just measured in billions or in the far-reaching influence of his media empire, but in the countless lives he has inspired to pursue excellence, to question the ordinary, and to harness the power of information to drive meaningful change. Embrace this spirit of innovation and let it guide you as you unlock your own financial potential and navigate the dynamic world of modern finance. This journey is far from over, and as the digital age continues to accelerate the pace of change, the lessons from Bloomberg's evolution remain more critical than ever. His story is a call to action for anyone who believes that success is not simply about following trends, but about setting them. It is a testament to the idea that when passion meets precision, and when risk is embraced as an opportunity, the possibilities are truly limitless and the future is yours to shape.